Instruction 9 is constructing an external tangent between two circles. So an external tangent will be a tangent that just touches both circles on the outside, something like this. An internal tangent would touch like this. So we want to create a tangent that touches circle B here and circle A here somewhere. So to do this, first thing we're going to do is we're going to join the center points of both circles. So I'm going to do this in red like I've done previously. And like we've done previously, we're going to bisect the line OP. So I'm going to do that first. Do this with a normal compass for now. So I'm going to take more than half, swing my arc, same on the other side, and repeat the step from point O. And up here as well. I can now just join them lightly. I'm going to use a blue pen. Again, this would be all in construction. For the purpose of this, I'm going to do it in pen. So now we have that bisected. The second thing we want to do is we want to subtract the radius of this circle from this circle. So to do that, I'm just going to take the radius of circle B by putting my compass on the center point and taking the radius there. You might be given the radius in a question or something. And take that radius and I'm going to step it back like that, and then I'm going to swing another circle from the center point O using that point. Now I have a smaller circle. I have two concentric circles, circle A, and now I've got another circle here on the inside. Once we've done that, we already have our bisected point, same as before. We're going to put our compass on the center point. We're going to take the radius from here to O, so I'm going to use my light blue pen for this. And we're going to create a semicircle because we want to create the tangent on this side. So I'm just going to create a semicircle between O and P with this as my center point. I'm going to put my compass down, take my radius, using the scroll wheel accurately. So hopefully you can see this. I'm going to swing my radius all the way around. I might start from P actually. And then I'm going to join O through this point here, which I'm going to call R here. So that will be point R. I'm going to extend O through R to hit circle A, and that will give me my point of contact where the tangent is going to touch. So another thing I can do is I can use my parallel or my sliding set squares, and I can bring that normal, making sure my sliding set squares haven't moved, which they have slightly, and I'm going to bring it up from P also to hit the circumference. I've now got my 2 points of contact and I can draw in my tangent by just joining them like this. Should have extended it there. So here is my tangent. My external tangent, I should say. And I have my normal, which is perpendicular, and my other normal, which is also perpendicular. So again, recap. Step 1, join the centers. Step 2, bisect it to get this blue line. 3, subtract the radius of your smaller circle from the larger circle to give you this little circle C, we'll call it. Then we're going to swing an arc from the center here, using O to that center point as our radius, and where it cuts our circle C, it will give us point R, and if we extend our center point through that, we will find our point of contact here, point of contact P, and we will also, if we come parallel to that, from my original, I'm going to call that P1 actually, from my original center point P, I will find P2, just here. Join them back up and we have our external tangent.